Hello dear students, today we have to discussion the remaining part of the lesson whatever we do. Whatever we do, what we do, whatever we do, whatever we do, let us try to do better way or better thing. In this lesson, is written by the Clifford Martins. Clifford Martin is a well-known poet and author and a professionally a lawyer and a socialist. He was discussion or tells us how to perform your works, how to make your works, how to speak your words, what type of words to use in your daily life. That words are is a better way. That words are very much better to show your gratitude. To show your gratitude. The Clifford Martins is already told, we already told in the previous classes. Whatever we do, the Clifford Martins says to reader or us, whatever we do, let us try to do it better or good. And even as could not be satisfied only word or action. You speech word with the action, action with the word. When we satisfied two things. The Clifford Martins has given to one more example to our daily life, day by day life. One best examples. He meet his Eastwell company some bit late. That company he was appointed to senior person for him. Senior person to his. When he go to the Eastwell company bit late, the author amends to words. Sorry, I bit late. Of his appointed persons. That appointed person was replying, oh, it's okay. I am patiently waiting for you. That words is a attraction for the author. The most senior person's words were attraction for the author. And then the other one is life experience, or one examples the author told when he was go to his training center, he was waiting for the lift. The lift came down his place. When at the time, two gentlemen were to find the lift, their materials, their bags. Immediately, the gentleman sought for the author, immediately removing the package to make the space for him or author. And then another examples, the author was another given example, his life experience. He met with a shopkeeper or shop. The shopkeeper response or discussion about the author and shopkeepers. More examples depending upon our action or words to improve our progress or improvement of our language or words. So, in this session or in this today, discussion about the next continuation part. In the 7th paragraph, we will discuss it. Let us go forward. The author, the Clifford Martins, take on the another examples. The doctor and patient. How to perform the doctors with his patient. The doctor treating the patients can make their jobs much better if they choose to talk nicely to their patients. A word here or a word there. Most doctors were serious or even stern. Probably they imply that they are doing serious work, but talking nicely and reassuringly is also a part of treatment, isn't it? It is said that a couple of friendly words from a doctor or even a smile can go a long way in making the patient feel better. The author Clifford Martins given one more examples. How to doctor responds with their patients when the patient was suffering from the illness. How to doctor treat the patient as given one description and give the medicines, not only cure the patient illness, with the doctors given the treatment with nicely speech or encouraging the words, to use in the encouraging words and more nicely talking with his patient. When patient was curing his illness, the doctor was giving the confidence. The doctor was giving the confidence to the patient cure his illness. Nice talking. The Clifford Martins give one doctors discussion us to doctors and patients. Doctors treating the patient can make their jobs much better if they choose to talk nicely. When the doctor was famous, he was talk nicely and with his treatment. When he was famous, otherwise most of doctors can smooth talk or nicely talk with their patients, but very few doctors are angry with their patients. That patient was not. So the time the patient was fully acquired the fear. When that time the patient was not a cure. The most probably more than patients were going to be giving a treatment or receiving the treatment to the depending upon the doctor behaviors. The author says, if they choose to talk nicely, they choose to talk nicely. The doctor choose to talk nicely. Why? the patient were curing, the patient having a confidence of the curing their illness or diseases. If they choose to talk nicely to their patients, a word here, a word here, or a word there, doctor to communicate or discussion or giving a treatment to nicely and talkly to using the word here to faint, to stomach the faint here or there, here and there, here and there, to talk nicely, to using nicely his words, choose to talk nicely to their patient. A word here and there. Here, they were here and there, here or there. ಏನನ್ನಾದರೂ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ನೈಸಾಗಿ ಬಳಸಿದ್ರೆ the 50% of the diseases was cured by the doctor's words. By the doctor's words to talk to using or communicating the talk nicely with their patients. A verse here or a word there, most doctors are serious or lifesaver. The doctors it means a lifesaver. The doctors are a serious or even stare or nistura or directly. Stare means directly. Probably they imply or notice. Imply means notice. Imply means notice. Notice or say or explain. The doctor to explain to their patient with reassuming the confidence of his illness or his disease or his curing his diseases with a talk nicely. Probably they imply that they are doing serious work. That the doctors, most of the doctors were doing a serious work. But the talk nicely. Doctors as a lifesaver. Their work is a very serious work. Then other than the works, because the doctors to fight living things, the doctors to treat the living things, not a non-living things. Non-living things to non-living that if anyone to treat a non-living things that easily go on, but the doctors is to discussion or treat a treatment with the living things, because his work is very carefully and very serious work. But talk nicely and reassuring means reassuring means refill. To refill the confidence. To fill. The doctors were refilled. The doctors were assumed the confidence of his illness or diseases. Confidence to cure his diseases or illness. The first is duty. The doctor's first is duty. That most of the doctors were reassuming or assuming that this treatment is a curable, not curable. Using the word not curable. Do not using the word not curable. Which are all diseases. Don't say. Most of the doctors do not say this diseases is a very horrible diseases. But the doctor knows this diseases is a very horrible disease. But don't say in front of his patient. When the time that diseases is a very horrible diseases, but the doctor says taken the very easily and to give a confidence to his patient. This diseases is very normal to curing my treatment. Because don't worry, you are almost out of danger. To tells us out of danger. So some many words using the doctors to patient curing his diseases or illness. Isn't it? No. Reassuming is also a part of treatment. There is a part of treatment. The doctors use or talk or communicate nicely with each patient. That is a part of treatment. The Clifford Martins said to his reader, the doctors to fill or reassuming is also a treatment, also a part of treatment or part of duty of the doctors. While that time, while the patient came to him to receiving a treatment. When at the time the doctors must find out his diseases, but he knew this diseases is a mostly cancer. Cancer is a very horrible disease, not curable disease. But doctor is now. But doctor don't say this treatment, this disease is a very horrible disease. Don't say in front of his patient this disease is very horrible disease. But he was nicely talking. This is a very normal disease. I would be cured in this disease. The doctor is nice, isn't it? That's right, isn't it? That is right. This is yes or no question tag. Given one question tag. Isn't it? Or yes or no type question, yes or no type sentence, or a question tag, isn't it? ಹೌದಾ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದು ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇಸ್ very important, especially his nice talking with his patient. Isn't it? It is said that a couple of friendly words, the doctors and patients were friends, were mostly friends. To use more friendly words as given the treatment to his patient. Couple of friendly words from the doctors or even a symbol can go a long way in making the patient feel better. Reassuming the feel or give a feel or confidence of his patient. The doctor was reassuming or fulfilling his mind. This treatment is a very normally. This disease is a very normal. I have to given the treatment. This disease is very immediately curing. But you are taken the my treatment or my medicine. ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಎ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಟು ಮೈ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಫಾಲೋ ಟು ಮೈ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ಟು ಮೈ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್. ವೆರಿ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ the doctors were using the similar word or simply word and nice talkly and nice with friendly with his patient. Said couple of friendly words from the doctors or even a smile. With a smile can go a long way in making a patient feel better. Making a patient feel better. The doctors were reassuming, the doctors were assuming a patient to feel better to his treatment, to his word, to his smile or body activities or body language. The doctor body language is very important. The doctor's action is very important. Doctor's words is very important. None other than the treatment. Treatment ಏನು ಸಹಿತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತುಗಳು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮೈಲು ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಫೀಲ್ ಬೆಟರ್, ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಬೆಟರ್. ಅವತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ದ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ to his curing the diseases. It's okay. Next, another one. Next, continue the paragraph. 8th paragraph. Another Clifford Martin's the author Clifford Martin give another examples in his daily life experience. In one more examples. And a certain occasion, on a certain occasion it means a situation or region. On a certain occasion, I hailed an auto rickshaw. I hailed. Observe this word, hail. Hail means car. The author called one auto. Or auto rickshaw man. Immediately, the auto rickshaw man came to in front of him. The author say, city market or city hospital. On certain occasion, I hailed an auto rickshaw and said, city hospital. The auto man did not look at me. Very carefully observe. The auto man did not look at me or did look at author. The auto rickshaw man was not look at author, and only his two direction or body language. Immediately the auto man did not look at me, but simply down his autometers. Well, it was a clear indication. Well, I can understand. The author was understand. He is ready to go to the city market with me. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆದಾನೆ. That is indicate. Which is indicate? The auto rickshaw man was to down the meter. It means saying he was ready to go to city market, city hospital to get him. The auto man did not look at me or look at author, but simply down his autometer or down the autometer down the meter, well, it was a clear indication. Well, it was a clear indication that he was willing to take. He was agree. Willing means agree. He was will. Will means agree. The auto man was agreed to get ready. Go to the city hospital. To clear indication of his performance. The clear indication of the auto man performance. What is the auto man performance? What is the auto man performance? Auto man was not look at the author and immediately he down the meter and get ready to city market. It is a clear indication. There is a clear indication. The author was or identified or understood. The author was understood and get ready to and get in the auto and go to the city hospital. The author said to us, it was a clear indication that he was willing to take me to my destination. The auto man was not to look at him or author, but he was down its meter and get ready to his destination. The destination means someone which one is going. So the destination is a place which someone is going. Already I told in the previous class. ಅದು ತಲುಪಬೇಕಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸ್ಥಳ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಲೇಸು. It was a clear indication that he was willing or that he was agree to take me my order or to my destination. ನಾನು ತಲುಪಬೇಕಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿದ್ಧನಾದ. But wouldn't have been much better. ಅದಕ್ಕಂತೂ ಸಹಿತ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಲ್ಲ. wouldn't have been much better. Wouldn't it have been much better if he said, ಅದರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ if he said, yes sir, please get in. The automan was a response or said 1 or 2 words to talk nicely to us. Yes sir, get in or come. These words nicely talk with the authors, but the automan was not anyone talk. He was get ready. Immediately, he cannot be look at the author and get ready to down hit the autometer and get ready to hit the destination. But the author was intelligent persons. He can understand his performance or automan performance. Get ready to go his destination. But another person, most probably this is the problem. The Reformer Martin said to say or think in a better way. To say nicely talking, to say words or action, your clear indication, but you will not satisfied with your words, you will not satisfied with your action. The satisfied with your action to words with the action. Both is very important. I will talk to or I am talk to nicely, but physically constant. Body language is not a moment, but you say the word is nicely. That is satisfied to you or us. You using the words, you using the better words using with your action, with a action, when you can satisfy. When we can satisfy or you can satisfy. Say, but wouldn't it have been much better? ನಡೆಸಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು. Wouldn't it ಸರಿ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ? Wouldn't it have been much better if he had said, ಅವನು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, if he had said yes sir, if he had said the two words, if he had to say the two words, yes sir, coming, getting, two words, using the two words, nice, talking. When that time, the author was very pleasant, author was very joyful. At that time, if he had said, yes sir, please get him, yes sir, or please get him, please ಒಳಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, please ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ, or simply say, ಅಷ್ಟು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ come, or using the come, the at least or least he couldn't have done was to make a gesture with his face or hand. I did mention the point to him and to my good luck. He agreed with me one another. At least, at least he could have done to make a gestures. Gestures means to make with a face or hand. One more. To observing the words, gestures. Gestures it means gesture it means a moment or moment with face or hand. Face to or hand. Symbol with the hand. Come means come with a face, to face and hand. To move with the face, to moment with the face or hand. Do not look at it. It is nicely behavior. It is not a nicely behavior of the Ottomans. Ottoman was look at him or Arthur and with a smile, give a smile to Arthur. Immediately, that is the Ottoman was treating his customer to cultivate his behavior, to treating his customer to Arthur. Gesture with his face or hand. I did mention the point. The author mentioned the point to him. The author was mentioned the point to Ottoman and to my good luck. Good luck, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. To my good luck, he agreed with me. ಅದನ್ನ ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. On another occasion, another situation, or another day, I called an auto and said, Central Market? You coming to Central Market? He said, sorry sir, that Ottoman was a good behavior, to cultivate the good behavior. That Ottoman was a good person or intelligent person because his duty of responsibility. He said, sorry sir, it handover, it's time for me. It's already over time. It's already time is over. It's time is over, or it's time for me to hand over the auto to the owner of the auto. It indicates the Ottoman was having taken the rent for auto. Rent for auto, daily rent, giving a daily rent to take down the auto. Because this time is over, already the time is over to hand over the auto of its owner. Because he was the response. That automan was replying to the author, sorry sir, it's time for me hand over the auto. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ನಾನು ಆಟೋವನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಓನರ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಮರಳಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಅನದರ್ ಆಟೋ. ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ದಿ ಆಟೋ. And so saying, he was more saying, he hailed the another auto. He called the another auto. The automan was called to another auto and to introduce the author. He called the another auto and asked Guru. He mentioned this word. The second automan was mentioned the words Guru. As usual, normal things, normal word. Guru, our friend, Guru, central market, that man agreed, that auto man was agreed, and he got him, the author got him, the agreed and got him. This shows that we can say no also in the most pleasant way. No, also in the most pleasant way. Also again, the pleasant way in the first automan and the second automan. Look at the second, ninth paragraph. Even a very ordinary thing like giving the alms. The author was given another examples with the alms or beggar. Even a very ordinary thing like giving the alms to the beggar can be done in a better way. Here, take this. We can say nicely and with some feeling. What do most people do? They refuse to look at the beggar. If he persists, they indicate that he should go ahead. Some say, munde hogappa or go further. Some such thing. Some don't say anything, but try to some the beggar by their body language, and finally when the giving becomes inevitable, then give grudgingly. If we decide to give alms, should we not to do so gracefully? In Mumbai, they have a nice way of the saying, "Maaf karo, please excuse." It's a nicely way of saying, "Sorry, I am not able to give." The author, Clifford Martin, was given another example with his daily life, day by day life. When he was going to some way to meet with the beggars, the beggar was asking for the alms or begging. Even a very ordinary thing or simple thing like giving alms. Alms means given the glossary. Alms it means to give or put money or dress to given the poor people. Poor people. Poor people. Alms means food or money. Money or food or dress. To given the poor peoples. To given the poor peoples. Or a bhiksha. It means a Kannada meaning bhiksha. All food is bhiksha. To a beggar can be done in a better way. In a better way, here take this. In a better way, here take this in tower, take this. We can say nicely. We can say nicely. We can say nicely. We can using words in a nicely. We can say nicely and with some feeling and with some good feeling or graceful feeling or graceful feeling. What do most of the people do? What do most of the people do? They refuse to the beggar. They refuse to look at the beggar. If he persists, they indicate that he should go ahead. If they refuse to, some of the people in the society, they refuse to the beggar. They refuse to look at the beggar. ನೋಡಿಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ಅವರನ್ನ ತಿರಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. They refuse to look at the beggar. If he persists means to behave firmly. To behave firmly. In this meaning, if he persists, means to behave firmly. If behave firmly. If he have firmly, they indicate that he should go ahead. ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ. Some says ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ. It means Kannada meaning or Kannada word ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ or go further or go ahead or go further or some such thing. Some didn't say anything, but some people didn't say anything, but try to send the beggar. Shun means meaning. Shun it means avoid or refuge. Some other peoples, but try to shun the beggar by their body language. And finally, when giving becomes inevitable. In another word, inevitable means unavoidable. And finally, when he gives becomes inevitable, they give grudgingly. Grudgingly means another one is new word. Grudgingly means it means vallada ಅಥವಾ it means resentful manner. Resentful manner. It means Kannada means ಒಲ್ಲದ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ. The beggar has been come. Most probably I give the alms. ಏನನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಲ್ಲದ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. If we decide to give alms, If we decide to give alms with it grudgingly, should we not do so gracefully? ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಲ್ಲದ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ಮುಂಬೈ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ ಮುಂಬೈ, in Maharashtra, they have a nice way of the saying, "Maaf karo." In Mumbai, especially in Maharashtra, they have a nice way of the saying, "Maaf karo." Please excuse. It's a nice way of saying. It is a nice way of saying, sorry, I am not able to give. ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ ಸಾರಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದೀಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. Dear students, I should understand this, or you should understand in this lesson continuous in the remaining part. Thank you.